Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. It is so good to have you here. Today I'm gonna show you how I use aloe vera as a pre-poo to detangle my hair. If you are interested, keep watching. As you can see, my hair was in a puff and I had this puff for at least 1 week. So I needed a good detangler for my hair, and aloe vera never failed to do that job for me. I already washed and cut the aloe vera, and as you can see, I have my white tooth comb. Some like to blend it, but me, this time I'm gonna use it using my fingers. I rub the gel or the mixture directly into the scalp and let it sit for 1 hour. And now I parted my hair in 4 sections, but we'll have more sections later. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant that's been used to treat various health conditions for thousands of years. This plant has great properties for your hair and your skin. It contains anti-inflammatory actions that may help reduce scalp irritation. It contains vitamin C, E, B12, folic acid, and it is also a great moisturizer for the hair and stimulate hair growth. I use my finger to collect the gel. Then I started applying the gel directly in my hair and scalp. When I'm done, I twist the sections. I ended up having 10 sections, 6 in the back and 4 in the front because my hair is very thick.